Brand new to our inventory here at Chris Myers Automall, we have this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Edition 4-wheel drive crew cab. On the outside of the Silverado, we have a custom body-colored grille, headlight bezels and front bumper, heated and power door mirrors, and front and rear black bow tie emblems. Inside, you'll find comfortable, easy-to-clean cloth seating, illuminated entry, and electric rear window defogger. The 7-inch LCD display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected on the go. This 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Edition has less than 13,000 miles, and it comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. Give Chris Myers Automall a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.chrismyers.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.